Then consider the BCC unit cell of the solid 1 and solid 2 with the position of the atoms as shown below. The radius of atom B is twice that of atom A. The unit cell edge length is 50% more than in the solid 2 than in A. What is the approximate packing efficiency in solid 2? A 45%, B 65%, C 90%, and D 75%. Right. So first point is that what is given over here. The important point that we need to mark over here is the radius of atom B is twice that of the atom A, right? So now, what is given is that given radius of B is 2 times radius of A. Now, using packing fraction. Okay, so packing fraction is equal to the number of the atoms into 4/3 pi r cube spheres. Okay, so pi r cube. Now let's take this for A plus we'll have over here Z effective. Okay, Z effective into 4/3 pi r cube for B. Okay, the entire thing what we have now, let's divide this by E cube. Right, so this is the expression what we are going to use. Now, taking into consideration, we know that 2 times r of A plus r of B is going to be equal to root of 3 into A, right? So what we already know from this entire point over here, which has been given, is that RB is 2 times that of the RA. So let's replace this RB here. So 2 times of RA plus 2 times of RA again, because RB is 2 times that of RA, right, is equal to root 3 of A. Now, so substituting this entire scenario for the value of A is equal to 2 into the root 3 of R. So this is the important point what we have got over here. Okay, so further by, if we take a look into the packing fraction, so Z effective for the first one, that is this one for A is going to be 1. Okay, 1 into 4/3 pi r cube of A. Okay, plus what we have is over here 4/3 pi r cube. Now r over here with respect to A. Okay, so therefore we are going to have this particular value over here that is going to be as 8 r cube A, right? So the entire thing is going to be, of course, divided by, the entire thing is going to be divided by, let's take over here as 8 into 3 root of 3 r cube A, because answer for A we already know that is 2 into root 3 r, correct? So that particular cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is going to be 8. Root 3 into root 3, that will give me 3 over here into the root 3 r cube A. Okay, so this is important. Now let's proceed further. So upon proceeding further, I would say that packing efficiency, once we are going to calculate this entire thing, so it is going to give me almost like 9 into 4/3 pi. The whole thing is going to be divided by, the whole thing is going to be divided by 8 into 3 into root of 3, as we have already seen. So once we are going to again calculate this entire scenario, we'll end up having the answer as pi divided by 2 into root 2, the whole thing, okay, into 100 if we are looking for the packing efficiency. So final point is packing efficiency, that is pi divided by 2 into root 2 into 100. So approximately you will get it nearby the 90% as answer. Okay, so therefore our answer over here is C.